Hi guys, Omar with Overlanding Just Cause, and in this video I want to talk about how I stay cozy in my rig. I sleep in this vehicle. I'm overlanding, I'm out camping. How do I stay cozy in it? It's 33 degrees right now and the low tonight is supposed to be 15. So let's talk about it. I do have a Trekway, which is an SUV tent. There are many SUV tents out there. SUV tents serve a great purpose. They extend your vehicle out as far as, staying cozy. You have more space. I have two big dogs that I don't want sleeping in with me. I've got blankets to keep them warm. It's gonna get cold tonight. Again, there's other options out there. Trekway for me has worked. It's a very thin tent. So as far as 32 degrees, dropping down to 15 degrees is definitely not a winter tent. But you can obviously do things to kind of help that. Let's look inside. Just walking in, there is a huge difference in temperature, which is great considering that it's not a winter tent. Looking down for the dogs, I've got a couple blankets. As far as staying cozy in my little camper, I have my sleeping unit, which is a mattress, 3-inch foam. I'm kind of doing something new with my GX, so bear with me, but I am going to make changes to it. My head's going to be up here, my feet's going to be down there. I'm sleeping at a slope down, and that's why I'm doing that. Usually I would sleep with my head up there, but I haven't built a platform for it yet. Keeping with the whole being cozy, I have my fridge right there, my battery bank's on the other side. You don't need a fridge, you can have a cooler. Plenty of blankets. I have a heated blanket right here that I'm not gonna use as a heated blanket, I'm just gonna use as a regular blanket. I also have my tote bag. Now this has pretty much everything I need for camping out here. Staying cozy for me means staying warm, being comfortable, being able to sit up, being able to read a book, watch a show on your laptop or your iPad or whatever, being able to get snacks out of your fridge or your cooler. That's what being cozy to me means. And that's what I have here. Everything is set up so where I can sit up, watch a show. I have my laptop up there. I have my fridge. Up there I have chocolate covered almonds, which are my favorite. Bing. And I also have Flamin' Hot Cheetos, my second favorite. When it comes to having things on hand, I have my bug deflector, which is so cold, bugs aren't gonna be out. But I have food stuff, I have dog stuff, I have paper towels right here. Just a lot of things that I have access to. When it comes to really being cozy and comfortable, I love the fact that I have the security, I have the comfort. I can make it as good as I want it to be. And you can too, in whatever vehicle you have. But one thing that I really love is this fridge. The fact that I'm able to open it up from inside, this battery bank. I have power source that I can plug my phone into. These are just things that are really helpful. Now, here are some things that you probably don't think of when it comes to comfort inside the vehicle. Number one is this. These are like weather guards or rain guards, you would call them. These actually came with the GX. I have a Jeep Commander that I actually bought some on Amazon for. They're awesome. I mean, not just for keeping the rain out and you can like lower the window and have some airflow to it, but when you're actually camping, these are super important because you want that circulation. When you're sleeping inside and you have everything closed up, you start having condensation and you don't want that. You don't want moisture inside your vehicle. So keeping the windows down and having the rain guards really do help. The other thing that helps are these. Now these are air vents, bug netting, and what they do is they go inside the vehicle just like that. If you notice, they're magnetic. This one is fit for the GX. For my Commander, I don't have any that fit the window itself. I have a screen netting, and what that ends up doing is protecting from little gnats, little no-see-em. That is especially great for the summertime. So that means I can leave that how it is, close it up, roll the window all the way down, and now I have a lot of good airflow to go through. In the winter time, I don't want too much airflow because I'm gonna get cold. So I roll it down and I have it here. I still get airflow inside here. I still have protection from rain. Really, that's how I stay cozy inside my little camper during the wintertime or during the summertime. It really doesn't matter. When I go solo, I sleep in my rig. The biggest reason why I sleep in my rig is I feel secure. But when it comes to security, there's other things. I have two big dogs. If they hear anything, they're gonna growl super loud and bark. The other thing is I do have protection. Not just these guns right here. I have two of these. My other gun is holding this camera. But I also have something that shoots projectiles that does damage. Here's the bonus. In the wintertime, if you really want to be cozy, right here, I have a diesel heater. This thing is what keeps us cozy, like toasty during the wintertime. Again, you don't need that. If you're sleeping in your rig and you have blankets, you'll be just fine. And you know what? If it gets too cold, get the dogs out of the dog tent, get them cuddling up with you. And with that body heat, you'll be just fine. I've done that before too. Where I've been too lazy to put this up, I get the dogs in there and we are nice and toasty. Just make sure you get the windows down to get that air circulation, which is very important. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.